How to see your YouTube Wrapped. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So what we're going to do first is to open up a browser. I'm just going to use Safari and we are going to type in this URL. We are going to the site youtube.com and we are going to put on a slash and type in recap. Click go and go to that website and this window should pop up looking for your 2025 recap. Just tap on open YouTube and open once again. This will redirect us to the YouTube app as you can see. And once you're in here, try refreshing this page by swiping down and refreshing it like that. And this right here should pop up like this and just tap on it and you should be able to see your YouTube Wrapped or YouTube recap. So you can tap through and see all of the data that is linked to your YouTube account. Also make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. To ensure of that, go to your app store, search for YouTube and make sure that it is up to date. So just tap on it and if you see an update button, just tap on it and make sure that you are using the updated version of the YouTube app.